again. It's a redskin.
Hi everyone, this is Suman. So this is the new laptop, like the MacBook Air M1 that I just bought recently. So it's been pretty good experience. I've been using this for past 10 days. So previously I'm just using this laptop like the SS laptop. So this is my sister's laptop which she bought around 6 years back, I think so. So I just edited around 130 videos, and also I just done 2 internships with this, and also all my projects, everything I just did in this previous laptop. So yeah, I just thought this is the right time to update to a new laptop. So that's the reason why I just bought a MacBook. So it's been pretty good experience up to now. Like I'm just editing videos, I'm just using it for programming. Right, even this video which you're just seeing, this is also edited using this laptop itself. So yeah, it's been pretty good experience. So I will just try to make a complete review video. Like I will just try to discuss everything what I just feel about this laptop. Like whether you can just buy it for programming, whether it is for good for editing. So what's the pros and cons, everything I will just try to make a separate video. So this is just an unboxing video and a little bit of update from myself. So yeah, that's all for this video. So I will just see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and yeah, thanks for watching.